So this is the Duo 11 by Sony.
Oh, ito yun, di ba? Yung Duo 11. Bakit siya Duo? It's 69,999. So mas expensive to kaysa dito sa top 20, no?
Yun nga, dahil mas expensive niya, dahil mas maliit siya, dahil mas compact. Kaya tinawag na Duo, dahil not only hindi lang siya touchscreen, dahil pwede rin yung keyboard.
Alright. So this one runs the full version of Windows 8.
Windows 8.
Alright. Okay, give us a quick demo. Ang gwaping, ano? Ang ganda ng form. So sa likod, can you show us a bit of the... Oh, wow. Ganda. So the front, ito na-introduce na to sa Vaio P dati, di ba? Yeah, the what they call that? The pointing stick. Pointing stick. Alright.
Isang, pwede siyang within my keyboard, then yung usual tablet type natin.
Alright. Do you have a smaller version? Yun na yung...
Ito yung pinakamaliit.
Ayun yung pinakamaliit. Alright, that's cool.
Then it comes with the stylus na.
With stylus din. Patingin ako stylus niya. Isang meron ba siyang a hole where you can put the stylus?
Actually,
or
meron siyang attachment talaga, hindi na natin.
alright. So, hindi mo naman siya mawawala ng ganun kandali. May special gestures ba that...
Actually, wala naman. Hindi katulad ng iba. Talaga may special gestures din. Sa ano man, basta point ka naman na lang. Kung ano yung desired function na gusto mong gawin, automatic na.
Alright, automatic na siya. That's cool. Really. Can you go back sa home screen? So to go back to the home screen, you just press this one. Cool. Very responsive. Alright, any other special features?
Yun nga, isang magandang yung Gorilla Glass features, which is ito talagang durable talaga sa mga Sony.
So Gorilla Glass.
Gorilla Glass. So kahit ano na rin siya.
It's new kasi yung Sony mobile smartphones, they don't choose Gorilla Glass eh. Mineral glass siya eh. Alright.
Talagang ma-appreciate yung durability ng unit. So kahit saan ka magpupunta.
Gwaping eh, no? Can you show us again yung kung how do you close and open yung ano?
So this is how you close it.
Alright. So, hindi mo siya po-push from dito. Hahatakin mo siya doon. Sige, I'll try. Sige, de-demo natin yan. Alright. So, to close,
just press it down, sir.
Press it down. Alright, just press it down. And then to open, yan. Ayun, so parang meron siyang extra ano doon. Meron siyang a flap sa classic sa may grip. Tapos kahit isang kamay lang. And then you just to close this. Okay. Pero medyo kailangan mo rin alalayan ng konti.
Kailangan mo rin alalayan.
As for the trackpad, as for the... Actually, iba na siya. Hindi siya katulad dun sa Vaio P. This one is optical eh. Can you focus a bit kaya? Para siyang similar dun sa mga BlackBerry trackpad. So it's different now. Basta... Okay naman, maganda yung ano niya. As what you would expect from a Sony notebook. So ito medyo dati kasi parang I think rubbery siya, parang likod, parang pencil. Ay yung pencil eraser. Tapos so
pag tumatagal parang
napuput-put. This one is better. Tsaka mas responsive siya. Alright. Plus, I think naman kasi it's just a bonus feature. Alam mo yun? Because touchscreen niya. Go back to the home screen. Just press it. Alright, thumbs up. Thank you.